Lo somaqhinga osebeka phansi izintambo eqeqesheni uthi iNingizimu Afrika imenze waziqhenya ngomsebenzi wakhe njengoba bemiswa nabantu mayeziyela izitolo bembonga ngomsebenzi wakhe omuhle.
It's amazing when I go out, when I left my apartment and I go to some groceries. 5, 10, 15, sometimes 20 people stop me and say, "Coach, can we have a photo?" "Oh, thank you, you make us proud." It never happened in my 38-year career as a coach. Never. So you understand that for me, at one side I'm very proud and happy that I worked here 5 years and what we achieved together.
UBruce uthi sizathu esimenze washiyela kuleli ukuthi usemdala futhi usefuna ukuba seduze nomndeni wakhe.
The lonely moments and the long periods I was away from my family began to be very difficult for me. And that is the only reason why I leave Bafana.
Uphinde washiya iseluleko ngokuziphatha kwabadlali okungekuhle kuleli.
There has to be installed a more professional situation for the players. Can I say that there is no professional attitude amongst the players? I think I can say that. So there are things that still has to change if you want to make that progress.
ISAFA izobamba umhlangano wesigungu esiphezulu ngempelasonto ezayo ukuphuma nesinqumo sokuthi ngubani umqeqeshi omusha weBafana osale lo umsebenzi wokufakela kuleli emidlalweni yeAFCON neNdebe yoMhlaba ezayo.
I think my grandsons will be very happy with that.